The 2008 TrailBlazer. The Chevy TrailBlazer is among the best of the truck-based midsize SUVs. It's capable of hauling heavy loads and negotiating rugged off-road terrain, yet it's also smooth, comfortable, and civilized, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, XM satellite radio, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.